siya. Train station.
I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire.
Moodful Junction ko iti.
Like a wildfire.
Okay, Santa Maria entry.
Never the same. Never you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. And whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me.
Okay, Paolo ang ways.
I
Platform Majir.
know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight.
Yes, station.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
Okay, Daily Magic Train.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire. Like a wildfire.
This is Imperial Wharf. This train is the southern service to approaching Kensington Olympia.
I'm going and put these stuff away, and I'll come back to the garden and see the butterfly again. And the butterfly is got yellow stripes and black stripes, and it's sleeping. And I think I think it's sleeping peacefully. So we don't want to, and we don't want to disturb it because I think it's going to lay eggs soon.
Welcome everybody.
So guys, we found the butterfly in our beautiful, amazing garden. But it's sleeping, so we don't want to disturb it. So let's be careful for not waking it up. So this butterfly is stripy with yellow stripes and completely tired from roaming around and flying from exhausting. So that's why we don't want to disturb it because it's already exhausted. So it can sleep in peace and it could the time it wake up, it got started to collect pollen by each plant in our garden. Soon it can get tired again, and it could sleep at the same spot again. So it might be a little strange. Alright, guys, and could be, guys. And like and subscribe.